Hi guys, welcome back to OSS website and Algo Traders channel. Hope you have enjoyed our last video on an IV tool, how to use an IV in intraday and how you can trade using that IV tool. So today I am preparing this video for our OI trend tool. We have received many requests to prepare this video that how we can use this open interest tool. Firstly, the name itself is an intraday OI trend indicator, so it works only for the intraday trend. Intraday trend. There is no inference from this tool that we can infer that what is going to happen tomorrow. So it's an intraday tool. You can take your decisions and trade on this tool using this tool for intraday only. Okay. Firstly, hope you all know what is open interest. So just giving you a summary, like we heard a lot open interest tool. There is an call writers, put writers. There are call buyers present. There are put buyers present. Right? Hope you all have heard these tools, heard these terms in your trading on a television or from professionals. So what does that mean when they say call writers? Call writers are active in the market. Coal writers may basically means coal sellers. That the people are selling coals and expecting market to go down. And on the other side, like there is an corresponding buyer for every seller. If we are selling something, then there should be someone on the other side to buy it, right? Otherwise, the deal cannot be done. So whenever there is someone to sell, there should be someone to buy also. Okay. So if there is a coal seller present, then there must be a coal buyer present also. And we have developed this tool using the terminology that smart money is active in the form of sellers. So a professionals or a FIIs, we believe that are involved into the selling part, because retail always try to buy the options and earn from it. Okay. Similarly, put writers means put sellers, that people are selling puts and are expecting that markets to go up from here. Okay. And the buyer on the other side is expecting put buyer that market will go down. Okay. And since our belief is that I already told that we have prepared this tool from the writer's point of view, because 80% of the times we know our market remains in a range. So who is earning that theta as well as IVs? It is only the professionals, and the smart money is earning by selling coal as well as puts. Okay, let's analyze this tool. So you can open the OSS website and go to the OI trend, and then you can select Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay. So here, if we see at the market opening, the price was at levels of 9,650, and there was some call writers present. 5789 means there are 5,789 lots written. So net call, from where this net call writer term is derived. So what we did is, through our R&D and our past experience of trading, we have analyzed the entire open chain and did some formulation and derived these terms, that whenever net coal lighters means the coal, the more position on the coal lighters, it means the coal lighters are active in the market, and the net we can assume that market will go down. If there are net coal lighters, market will go down. From here, net coal lighters was 5,789 lots, and it's increased by 1,000 or 1,1200. And if you see, price from here also decreased. So coal writers increased and price is decreased. Okay. And from here onwards, coal writers start to decreasing their positions. From here, 6,000 to share forward 50% has been reduced, 6,000 to 300, and price went up. by 13 points only. So here people are, I mean, shape over 3000 loads are decreased. The people who have reduced their writing positions are assuming that market will go up. Okay, and markets go up further 12 points, and there is a little addition or decrease deletion in the call lighters. Okay, and here again the market is still going up, and coal lighters are fluctuating in the range of 300 400 loads, and from here 5000 to 1500 straightforward. There is not much change in the price. That is the benefit of this tool, that you may see there is a huge addition or deletion in writing, call writing or a put writing, but price is sometimes you will notice that price remain in that small range. Then that will be a strong interpretation that something is going to happen or the trend is going to change. Okay, so price the rider has been reduced by 3500 lots, and from here you can see entire shift has been changed to put writers. Price nifty also moved by 15 points from there, and the shift has been changed to put writers. So from this point people are expecting that markets are going to go up from here. So further, this was an interpretation that coal lighters are keeps on decreasing or a little bit. There is no much price movement, and the coal lighters has been decreased. And this point, put writers have take the position. So put writers are active from here. Okay, so you can inform from here that price is going up with the increasing put writers, or you can also say that there is a little bit addition or deletion going on in the put writers. Okay, just a second. So from here put writers started, and if you see in between writers try cold writers try to come again. Just see from here, from the shift of the put writers of 15,000 lots 1500 lots, sorry, the again writers cold writers comes into the picture with a very small lots, and from here again cold writers present, and price is still fluctuate in the small range. Okay, and again from this point put writers comes into the picture, and then after this point writers cold writers never come again. Okay, if you see there is an put writers are keeps on increasing from 3000 to around 6000 3700 to 5800, a kind of 2000 lots addition. This is not a strong interpretation, this is just a little addition we say. So under the 2000 3000 4000, we are saying that we can't take any decision based on this iteration or deletion, because open interest is a trap also. When the price is fluctuating in a small range, open interest keeps on going up going down. So if you can see from here, see put writers are keeps on increasing from here. Okay, just see from here, and a little addition in price and little addition in put writers every time. Okay, you can, if someone is taking a decision on a risky basis, can hold their buy position from here itself, can buy the calls or buy or option spreads, one at the money call buy and out of money call sell. Okay, and hold their positions with some stop loss, and from here you can see call writers again active. You can, but there is not much price fluctuation. So in the initial, if you have initially taken any position, you can exit also here based on a very risk averse trader, that if you don't want to take a risk and hold it. Okay, and again you can initiate your position from here. So once you have taken an exit of your original position, you can again initiate the position from these levels. I'm talking about a very risky trader. Okay, see, here is the range. Cold lighters again decreasing. Price keeps on increasing up. So this is a small range. One can infer that the market is in a range bound period. When there is a, or we can say open interest is just under 20,000 levels, 20,000 lots. We can say that there is not much move going to happen. Okay. If we see at these levels, 26,000, 28,000 to 37,000. So this is something going to happen that 10,000 loads has been straightforward increased at a one shot in a span of 3-4 minutes. Okay, and this we can say that there is something going to happen that a straightforward 10,000 loads has been increased. This is a strong interpretation. If we are doing trading at our end, we will trade at this point only. We will not trap in this point, a small addition deletion, because this tests a lot of patience of yours. That you can see that market is a little in a range, and it has a lot of patience emotions. Okay, so this was the point that you can initiate your trend with a strong belief that there is something going to happen in an uptrend, or a up move is going to come. Okay, so you can see from here, from I can say 9834 levels, put riders keeps on increasing, and the market has reached to 9950 levels. This is the benefit of this tool. You can interpret which side market is going to take, whether it will be a range bound, a little addition in lots, little deletion in lots, or there are something serious going to happen when there is a huge jump in the writing, huge jump in the number of lots. You can infer from that. Okay, and here symbol is coming out, daytime is coming. Intraday trend is also based on this writers, call writers or put writes keeps on changing up down. If there is an put writers present, then it will show an uptrend, that is an up. If there are cold writers, you will see an down here. Okay, and OI spot resistance. OI spot means 9,500, means 9,500 is the level where maximum of put writing is happening. The seller has a strong belief that price is not going to breach these levels. Similarly, OI resistance 10,000 is the level that cold writers are present and expecting that market is not going to breach these levels. This is a PCR put call ratio. This is like an oscillator in terms of technicals like RSI and another oscillators. Above 1.20, we call it in an overbought position. Below 0.80, we call it in an oversold. So when we say RSI is 70-40 or 70-30 levels, we say below 30 oversold, above 70 overbought, and overbought can goes into a more overbought. So the PCR has a mean reverting nature. Okay, hope I have cleared maximum of the people's doubts. And don't please refer this tool for positional trading. It is just for an intraday trading. You can infer all the directions, range bound, uptrend, downtrend. Okay, and please, so hope you have enjoyed this video. We are coming up with many new features in future, and we are developing our new website also, that is Algo Traders, that will be purely for our algo trading only. The project is still under development because we have a very small team and we are working on it from a long time. It may take a few more months. For the benefit of the retail, we are preparing this website, and further I will explain in my more next videos. We have already developed this algo, that how you can, and community, retail community can trade in their accounts in an auto mode, totally an automatic, where you don't have to do anything at all. I will explain this performance report, statistics, drawdown, equity curves. Further, we are still improving these algos further, that we can achieve and higher returns than the shown ones. Okay, and there is a one more tool we are developing, that is an bot trading. Just giving you an overview, don't taking without taking much of your time. So the bot trading is a concept of trading through Telegram channel. The entire trading, you don't have to log in even at a desktop. or a PC. You can just have to type a command in the Telegram channel, and your trades will be placed in your accounts. You can manage your position. You can check your M2M. You can check your profile details. Everything can be monitored from the Telegram only. That's what we call it bot trading. And further, if any of you guys are interested to launch their custom made strategies, like you have a strategy but you have an execution problem, we can help you out to our Algo Traders website and this bot trading concept. Okay. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. So we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support. Kindly subscribe the channel